Hey everyone, my name is Daniel. Welcome to Rethink Health, and on this channel I teach and promote how we as a family can eat and live today that leads to a healthy lifestyle for our whole family. And on this video today I just wanted to talk a little bit about the products that we sell on Rethink Health. It's with the AIM companies, and I just received a box, an order from them, what our family gets. So I just wanted to show you to explain things and so that you know what you're getting into and really all you need to know when you're buying the products from Rethink Health. Coming up next. All right, so welcome again. Here is the box from AIM that you get. Here we open it up. And we have a few catalogs of different products that they sell, different nutritional guides as well. This is a great catalog to all that they have. And I'll take out a few things. Start with Herbal Fiber Blend. It's a mix of herbs that are each good for your bowels, for your gut, the lining of your gut, to get out those toxins, to move things along. Full of fiber that we need, and how important fiber is today. We need it. I think the average person in North America only gets about 8 to 10 grams of fiber a day. We need 25 to 30 or more, right? And we're deficient in that, and our bowels are blocked up. Our bowels are really the sewage system for our body, and if they're clogged, toxins are going to start to go into other organs and organ systems. And it's really the source of good or bad health. We need to have healthy bowels. If we don't, it's really going to harm our bodies, and we're going to start to see a lot of symptoms. Symptoms, especially like constipation, diarrhea, pain, bloating. These things are what are most common and are the symptoms that first start when the body is trying to tell us something's wrong. Whether we need more fiber or whatever, if we need a cleanse. Anyways, also what we have in here is ready beets. This is beet powder. So it's beets that have been juiced and dried into powder form, and they're sealed in here to preserve them all year round. So it's great quality nutrients so you can have all the way through the winter. And if you don't want to juice, it does all the work. All the work's already done for you. All you have to do is mix it with water and you're good to go. It's great, especially if you have a busy family, busy life, you don't have time to juice. This is a great supplement for that, and beets are full of nutrients that we need, especially nitric oxide, which open up our vessels, improve our circulation, so that's going to be good for all things cardiovascular wise, for the health of our heart. Another thing that we have with Rethink Health, this is raw cacao. We use it in one of the smoothies on the Rethink Health Family Smoothie Challenge, as well as in the recipes on the recipe page at Rethink Health. And you can also get cacao in your local store as well. It's fine, but this we love, especially with the kids, because it has chocolate, the cacao, raw cacao bean, and then it also has a mix of greens in it. Like, let me see here, it has the barley grass, pea protein, spinach leaf, kale leaf, arugula, broccoli sprout, Swiss chard. So it's just full of greens with chocolate. The raw bean, which is so healthy for us, right? It's not processed, not full of sugar. It's not in its natural state, so it's so healthy for us. And this is great for the kids. They love it. You can mix it with almond milk or whatever, and it's like a healthy chocolate milk, or you can put it in your chocolate smoothie, whatever, or mix it with your protein powder. Just get a plain protein powder with no flavoring in it, which usually the flavorings are artificial anyway. So put this in as your flavoring, and it's awesome. I do that. So the last thing I want to talk about is the BARLEYLIFE Extra. There's also BARLEYLIFE that you'll see on the products page at Rethink Health. The BARLEYLIFE itself is just the barley grass with kelp powder. This is added fruits and vegetables, 18 fruits and vegetables added to it. It's a lot better tasting, especially for kids. Our girls love it. We either mix it with water or juice. Actually, they usually take it in water now. They're used to it, and also they just take it off a spoon, put it in their mouth, and wash it down with water. They love it. We have it morning and night for them, just a little bit, and we found it really, really helps. And we take it every day as well. And I can't live without it. Like the energy, a clear mind, just overall feeling good and healthy. It has really helped a lot. If I feel a cold coming on or if I don't feel good, I'll take it a little bit extra, and within minutes I feel better. So it's really powerful. I'll put a link in the show notes on the podcast episode, as well an article I believe I did on barley grass and its preventative and therapeutic effects on the human body. It has been named the best functional food for overcoming chronic conditions, diseases. It is just full of vitamins and minerals. It was once said that, have this and you'll replace all your vitamin and mineral supplements. You won't need anything, just this one. It will replace everything. And it has the instructions on the back. So that's what I got in the box today. There's also other products as well, but like I said, the Barley Extra or the Barley Life is the product to get. It has everything your cells need to be healthy and maintain health. It will replace all your vitamins and mineral supplements. And as well, we also do regularly take herbal fiber because our bowels are so important to have cleaned out and working properly. So that's a little bit, telling you a little bit of the products, the main products that are with Rethink Health. And so if you follow the link, you can purchase these. But also for only $20 a year, I know you have to pay, you have to sign up, but if you subscribe, put in your name, email, address, and pay $20 a year. If you get a starter pack, you get the subscription free. It's really cheap. It's really cheap. We really need to have good nutrition as priority in our homes with our families. We can spend a lot of money on a lot of material possessions and still live in pain and still cope with symptoms we have and conditions that we have, when there's so many great supplements and healing foods that we can have to live such a more vibrant, healthy life. And so please make it a priority for your family. So like I said, it's $20 a year for subscribing, and you get the member pricing, which is a significant discount. And once you subscribe, there's no limit. You don't have to order every month. You subscribe, you order what you want, when you want. There's no conditions or limitations. And then you get my support as well once you do that, and you're supporting Rethink Health and this message to get out. So you follow the link to subscribe. It's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, send a comment or an email. So also, please don't forget to like this video, share with anyone who you think this may help, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos. Talk to you next time.